Hello and welcome to Forex Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing the best free Bitcoin indicator ever, which has returned over 5,000% gains. Bitcoin's mining is adjusted for difficulty every 2016 blocks, which translates to roughly every 2 weeks. However, Bitcoin's effective hash rate is being calculated daily and based on that number of blocks found by the miners each day. Because of when hash rate and mining difficulty are calculated, the difficulty effectively may lag behind the hash rate by a maximum of 2 weeks. Difficulty is therefore a somewhat lagging indicator for miner capitulation. When looking at how ribbons work, we can notice the green and blue simple moving average lines of the difficulty of the hash rate of the ribbon indicator. When they cross each other, the miners are considered to be capitulating. On top of that, most times the chart will show that there is roughly a 2-week lag from the hash rate identifying the miner capitulation to the difficulty identifying capitulation. The simple moving average periods chosen are not that important, and the same effect can be seen regardless of the period use. However, miner capitulation periods can last for weeks, and as a result of that, the lag between mining difficulty and hash rates doesn't have such a huge impact on the Bitcoin investor, but rather just on traders. The hash ribbon indicator. Because of the effect of negative sentiment as well as price action during bear markets, and times when miners reach capitulation, the best time to buy Bitcoin is somewhere in the middle of the miner capitulation period. However, this cannot fully be known until after the fact. A simple 1 and 2 month period simple moving average of Bitcoin's hash rate can be used to, with great accuracy, identify market bottoms, miner capitulation, and even greater times to buy Bitcoin. The moment when the 1 month hash rate SMA crosses over the 2 month hash rate SMA, the worst of the miner capitulation is over for the time, and the recovery has just begun. Initiating a buy at these points in time yields incredible results so far. Of the 9 historic buy signals in the table, the average gain to the next market cycle peak, which was historically less than 3 years away, is over a whopping 5,000%. Returns are even greater than shown in the table for positions held indefinitely. What is interesting is the drawdown through all time. The average maximum drawdown for each of these entries are 11%. These results are achieved without considering anything else but the indicator. No indicators, metrics, or intelligence, rather just 2 simple moving averages on Bitcoin's hash rate. We have to note that there is one bad purchase which dates to January 2015, where a maximum drawdown of 42% occurred. However, this is still considerably less than half of Bitcoin's various 80% drawdowns. Nonetheless, the majority of drawdowns can be eliminated by simply adding a price action indicator. This indicator could include the famous Bitcoin 10-day and 20-day SMA crossover, for example. Purchasing Bitcoin during miner capitulation as the hash rates are starting to recover, combined with buying only price momentum, has gone positive, and the yields are insanely good. As shown, the maximum drawdown is reduced significantly, while the returns have stayed relatively the same. The difference between the first and second table is made possible with a simple addition of the price momentum indicator and using these 2 indicators as a signal to purchase Bitcoin. This brings us to the question of, can you use the indicator often? Miner capitulation doesn't happen that often. In fact, it happens only once per year on average. However, it has started to occur a bit more often in 2020, which may be a greater thing for Bitcoin investors. The indicator has proven itself to be a great tool for finding Bitcoin's bottoms, while it does need help when it comes to timing the scale of the previously bought coins. Hash ribbons should be one of the key components of every Bitcoin trader's tool belt, simply due to its amazing track record. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.